How to link Spotify to Instagram Notes. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on Instagram application. Also, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Now simply what you need to do over here is tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and simply select on the notes section at the top left corner of the screen. As you do that, you can see the music icon right over here. So let's tap on the music icon. But when we tap on the music icon, we do not get redirected to Spotify, or we do not have the option to link Spotify. We directly get into the Instagram version of the music and all the music that are available for Instagram over here. So we can simply just go and search on Play Store. If we want to check we have the latest update of the application or not, so we can simply go to the Play Store application and search for Instagram to check if we have the latest version of the Instagram application. So let's search for it over here. Let's type in Instagram over here, and as you search for it here, you can see there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the Instagram application and the feature to link Spotify to Instagram Notes is not available. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.